Welcome to Igorotech channel. In this video, I will show you how to replace memory module for Lenovo Legion laptop model. Before starting to disassemble your PC, make sure your computer is turned off. After removing all external devices, prepare your PC for disassembly. Remove the 11 Phillips screws that secure the bottom cover to the computer. Then pry the cover up to remove it. Use flexible opener if needed. To replace or upgrade the memory, carefully remove the DIMM EMI shielding. Spread the two retention clips outward until the memory module tilts up at a 45-degree angle. Grasp the edge of the memory module, and then gently pull the module out of the slot. Use the same procedure to remove both memory modules. When reinstalling, insert the notched end of the DIMM into the socket. Push the DIMM firmly, and pivot it until it snaps into place. Make sure that it is firmly fixed in the slot and is difficult to move. This covers how to replace memory module for Lenovo Legion laptop model. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.